Hi, I am Tameka Chapman, CEO of Mogul Media and the founder of the Mogul TV Global Network. I am also the seven-figure business growth strategist to mompreneurs across the globe who are looking for better ways to scale their businesses with multiple streams of income. And today I want to share something with you. It's all about how you can create your $1 million business. I'm going to share 3 vital steps. And this is the same message that I give to all of my clients. It's based on 3 steps, just 3 steps, right? And it's also based on Habakkuk 2:2. Chapter 2, verse 2. It's all about writing the vision, making it plain, but I have one additional step that entrepreneurs need to take in order to scale their businesses and live the life that they want to live. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 vital steps to creating your $1 million business. You can use it in any niche, any business, anything that you're doing. These are the 3 steps that you must take. First step is prayer and alignment. So we all know that Habakkuk 2:2 is write the vision and make it plain. Writing the vision is your prayer and your alignment. This is you putting it out to the atmosphere, what it is that you're really wanting and desiring in your life. What is it that you see happening? What is it that you can envision happening? So you want to write it down. I equate writing it down with prayer and getting yourself in alignment with that prayer, with that desire. So prayer, meditation, positive vibes, and getting yourself in alignment. Alignment is one thing that a lot of people just don't quite understand. But getting yourself in alignment is getting yourself ready internally as well as externally. It's all about, 1, preparing yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually for your blessings. And it's also about aligning yourself with other people, getting in those groups and in those areas that are positive and feeding into the things that you're wanting to achieve. So that's the first step, prayer and alignment. That is called writing the vision, right? And so now we're going to make it plain. Write the vision, make it plain. The second part of making it plain is all about the strategic thinking and your strategic mapping it out. A lot of people don't understand strategy, and that's okay. That's where I come in. That's where I come in to help. I help you to learn how to truly strategize every part of your business. How to make it happen, what you should be doing, how you should think about doing it, what does it mean, why does it matter, all of those good things we go over, and then I quickly help you learn how to make every part of your business the most strategic as you can possibly make it. So strategic thinking, once you turn that light bulb on, I should say, inside of how to strategically think, everything, like there's no limit. There is no limit. There's no ceiling. There's no roof. There's nothing. There is no limit to what you can achieve once you start to really think strategically in your business. And even if you're not in business as an entrepreneur, if you have your career, there's a way to be strategic in thinking about your career, how to go to the next level, what you should be doing, how you should do it. There's so much to when it comes to strategically thinking, but it's not rocket science. It just takes you to build that skill set. It takes you to want to tap into strategic thinking. And then once you can think about it, it's all about writing it down. It's all about making it plain. That's where you put it on paper. You put it on paper, you look at it, you set your task in order to achieve that goal. You do what it is that needs to be done so that you can be as successful as you desire to be. So that's when it comes down to strategic thinking and strategic mapping. That is making it plain. The third piece that I want to talk to you about is all about taking action. Because you can write it down, you can make it plain. However, if you don't take action towards any of the things that you're wanting to achieve, nothing's going to happen. You're going to be sitting in the same space you are now in a year from now, thinking about the same stuff that you're wanting to do, praying and begging for a sign for someone to tell you how to do it, and it's never going to happen. It's not going to happen. So I want to make sure that you understand that you must take action. You can't just write it down. You can't just think about it. You can't just put all this thought and all this time and energy towards, okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that, and do nothing. You want to make sure that you are taking action towards what it is that you're really wanting to achieve. So those are the 3 steps. First step, prayer and alignment. Second step is strategic thinking and strategic mapping. And the third part is taking action. If you find yourself stuck on any of these levels of building your business and creating that multi-million dollar business that I know that you have inside of you, I'm here to help with that. I have an online learning platform called Mogul Domination that has everything you need to know to take your business from the creation of it, the building of it, and the scaling of it. But today, I just want to share those 3 tips with you. So if you are stuck, comment below, let me know. Send me a DM. You can find me on social media at official Mogul Domination. I'm everywhere you can find me. And so again, just wanted to share these 3 tips with you and make sure that you can kick your 2022 off right and going to that 7-figure business. So again, I just want to share these 3 tips with you on how you can create your $1 million business and having the 2022 of your dreams. All right, I'll talk to you soon.